really cool app, DW Witness. So it's an app developed by a Powered by NX partner. So with this app, you can easily transform your smartphone, Android or iOS, to a mobile surveillance cameras. So let's see how we can configure it. Let's press the app. So when you press the app, it will start to show you the video camera of your smartphone, and we have to do some configuration first. So first, please go to the gear icon right here. Press that. So you will see a place for you to key in your NX Witness or Powered by NX server IP address. So this is my home lab. So this is a LAN IP address, okay? And if you are pushed over the video to a remote server, please make sure you have a public IP address of your NX Witness server so that the camera, the smartphone can find it and push over the video right there, okay? There's a default port of 9010. Please don't change that, and make sure you enable the spectrum button right here. So after you set this up, please press the connect button. And if all good, you see OK. And you can see the video start showing up right here, but it's not yet pop up in your NX server because we still have to press the red button to push the video, like now. Once you press the push video button, then the video are sent to your NX Witness servers. So it's pretty cool. Once it's here, it's just like a normal IP camera, like 720p, 15 frames per second, H.264 codec. Okay, so you can also switch over to the front camera, which is I'm going to show you a bit. So you can go to the camera setting because it is just a normal IP camera in your system. You can go to the camera setting and enable like any kind of video analytics you have in your NX Witness server. So right now I have one I can demo right now is Openvino object detection developed by our team. You enable that. Let's close this one and open this one. Go to the object tabs, then you will see the person detection, people detection start to take place. So the metadata will be sent to the plugin, analyze it. So we can imagine if we have a facial recognition software, or we have a LPR software, or any kind of cool video analytics software powered by AI to identify different objects like fire, smoke, or for some special purpose you want to identify wildlife or any kind. So any video analytics that work with NX can already be applied to these video channels. Okay, so it's really convenient. I have made some video demos last night. Let me show you really quick. So this is our Taipei lab. So I have Jason's smartphones right here. So I can just go here. All right, so you can see if I use the calendar search, I can find there's a video right here. You see there are different video chunk because if you didn't push the video, there's no recording. If you push the video, then it will be recorded in your NX Witness server. So this is a video while I was walking my dog. So I just take out my phone, start the app, press the push button. Then the video are being streamed to the NX Witness server, our Taipei lab. Okay. So you can see that I also enable the object detection. So if it identifies a person in the scene, there will be a yellow bar right here. Okay. It's really cool. So I can do video analytics on the go. Yeah. So it's pretty simple and easy. Like at night, I did also go out again to, so you can see that if we identify a person by the smartphone video, then there will be a tag in your archive. Yeah. So it's very simple. Let me show you how to set it up. So please Google DW Witness. So after you Google that, it will show you several results, but you can very easily find this page. Okay, so this is our partners page. And then please go to the software link here. If you are using Windows, you have to download a .dll plugin file. If you are using NX with Linux, then you have to download a .so file. Okay, After you download the .dll file, you have to go to a specific folder, a plugin folder, which we use for all the video analytics. So like right now, I'm in the plugin folder, program file, network optics, NX Witness, MediaServer, and plugins. Okay, that's the location you have to put the plugin. So it's right here, witness plugin.dll. After you put the plugin here, you have to turn off your NX MediaServer service and then enable that again, and it will start working. Okay, so let me move back to my home lab. Yeah, so that's it. It's really cool, it's really interesting to use, and it's free. So like our licensing model, if you don't enable the recording, you can always have live streaming functions with your smartphone devices. And if you want to make recording, no matter it's for your security guard or your staff, you have your SOP. When something happens, please turn on your smartphone, start pushing video to the server as evidence. Even cool things is that if you have installed any video analytics together with your NX Witness or powered by NX systems, then you can very easily use your smartphone video with the video analytics plugin that is available in your servers. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like the new applications. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.